Hello everyone! Today we're going to make a flapping bird with origami. When you pull its tail, it flaps its wings. All you need is one sheet of paper in your favorite color. If you don't have origami paper, that's okay. Just cut a square from any paper you have. Ready? Let's get started. First, place your paper with the colored side down. Fold it into a triangle by matching the corners. Fold it into a triangle again. Okay, place it like this. Put your finger inside and squash it down. Flip it over. Do the same on the other side. Put your finger inside and squash it down. Fold both edges to the center crease. And fold the top down like this. Open them up. Open here and fold along the creases you just made. Now flip it over. And do the same. Make creases by folding the sides and the top like this. And open it up. Open here and fold along the creases you just made. Open the sides and make inside reverse folds. Make the angle horizontal. Open the other side and make another inside reverse fold. This one is at a different angle. Does it look like this? Do a small inside reverse fold for the head. Now let's spread the wings. Hold this part with your left hand and pull the tail back and forth. The bird will flap its wings. How cool is that? Did you make it? If it didn't turn out perfect, that's totally okay. Watch the video again and try making it once more. Thanks for folding with me. I can't wait to do more origami with you. See you next time!